Hello children, it's Mr. Vade. I'd like to spend some time sharing with you the coding that I use when I grade your text-dependent questions or any reading comprehension questions that I grade. You might see a letter T on some of your Naomi Leon text-dependent questions or on your Age of Exploration questions. The T means text. I ask myself, did you look back into the text to get your answer? I also am now starting to ask, did you provide a quote from the text? Those are the things that I'm looking for and I'm grading, and you can look at your rubric. They're both on the rubric, but I am looking for these things, and you'll get full credit if you do both. Look back in the text to get your answer and then provide a quote from the text. The O stands for organization. I ask myself, did you answer the question or did you answer the correct question? Did you answer the question correctly? Sometimes you actually change the question that I put on the paper and answer a totally different question than what is written. I also ask myself, and I'm starting to ask it now actually, did you use a page number to state where your answer came from? So if you do these things fully, you'll get full credit. The letter C stands for comprehension. I ask myself, is the answer correct? And is it supported by what the author writes or means? You're not allowed to just write whatever you think unless you can back it up and support it with proof from the text. Because nobody really wants to hear just your opinion. They'd like to hear your opinion, but they'd like to hear it supported. Also, a lot of these questions are not opinion questions. You actually have to find the answers by looking back in the text, or you have to make meaning of what the author says, and that requires you to look back in the text to come up with an answer that makes sense. So this is how I actually score your reading comprehension. Text-dependent questions and other questions that I ask you to form answers from when you read a text. After watching this video, you can now watch the reflections video.